Oi, meus amores, I just got out of the gym and now I'm heading to the supermarket to do some groceries and to do the red food challenge. So let's see what I can find that I can make red. While I'm shopping, it's really difficult to find the food. There's a lot of red things, but at the same time, you have to know what you're going to cook. So it's like thinking what you're going to cook and also picking the right food. So it's a little bit difficult. I was looking for a snack and I found these peanuts. They're like sugar coated and they're kind of red. So I think this will be my dessert. I just found these popsicles and I think they're perfect for dessert, so that's good. So I'm back now from the supermarket and I got all my red foods. A clip of all the red foods. It wasn't that easy in the supermarket to look for all the red foods. I basically got everything that I saw red because I still don't know what I'm going to cook, but I'm trying to think about what I'm going to do with them. But I got all the ingredients in red, or called red. The only thing that I won't do will be like the seasoning and things like that. I won't be doing only red seasoning because we ain't about that life. So to make the challenge a little bit more interesting, I will be doing all my foods, all the recipes, all vegan. Let's see how the recipe goes. So for my breakfast today, I will be doing a red smoothie bowl. And just to water it down a little bit, I have this cranberry juice. Let's see how it goes. Michelle is having a red smoothie bowl as well. How is it? Thick?
It's so thick, like wait. It's thick.
Mine is pretty thick as well, like.
Brain freeze.
Good. Now it's lunchtime, but I will take only like a snack because my breakfast was pretty late. So I will be just eating these red grapes and strawberries, and we'll see what I will do for dinner time. It's now dinner time and I decided to do a rice with chili, and because I'm doing it vegan, I will not put any meat or dairy in it. So I found this rice at the supermarket. It is a red rice and I've never tried it, but it's red, so I think it goes with the challenge, so I will try it and see how it goes. In the chili I will add tomatoes, beans of course, and a pepper. And as a side I found this bread. It's a bread made out of beets, so of course it's red. So let's see how this dinner will be. Okay, so right now I'll be making my rice. I will add garlic into my rice because I like rice with garlic. So just add my rice. Just 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. And see how it will turn out. Right now I will make the chili beans. I already have my chopped bell peppers. I add a little bit of olive oil in my pan, so I'll add this and let it fry for a little bit. And then I will add chopped tomatoes, kidney beans, and I also bought this chili con carne seasoning. So we'll see how it will taste. Tomatoes and the beans. Okay, and now I'll add my seasoning. It's kind of that's bread. I don't want to add a lot of it because I don't know how it will taste. Okay, now we let it simmer. This is how the rice turned out. So let's see how the plating will go. So this is how the meal turned out. I also forgot to mention that I got charred beets. So, to be honest, what the hell?
You want me to open it?
Mira, ven que... I'm gonna add it to the plate.
Ta-da!
Oh, and we also got...
Red wine. Cranberry juice.
cranberry juice. This bad?
No.
Okay, let's see how the food. Did you try it already?
Yeah, it's good. The broth isn't bad. It just tastes like beets. The beets have like an earthy taste. Earthy taste to them. But not bad.
This is good. I like the rice has such a a chewy. I don't know, maybe I didn't do it right, but it tastes good with the beans. The bread.
I like the bread. It's different, but the more you eat it, the better it tastes.
These are also vegan.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. They were cheap. They were not that cheap, but like
Affordable.
I guess for vegan food.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now we'll finish to eat and we'll see what I have for dessert. This is our dessert for today.
How do you push it?
Strawberry. You just press it down.
I know, but it's hard.
But I think it's like too cold right now.
Oh, 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 oh. It's red.
Ah, cold.
It's a smack karton.
The lemon one is more delicious. Tama! The dinner was really good, I think. What do you think about the dinner?
It was good. It was delicious.
Yeah. So overall, the day is done. We're done for today. This is our dessert, and right now it's like 8 p.m. so I don't think I will eat anything right now. But if I want to eat anything, maybe I will just eat the peanuts that I added to my smoothie bowl in the morning. So it was a chill day for me. It was alright. For you?
It was okay. It was an interesting challenge.
Yeah. So maybe we'll do another color next time.
Yellow.
Yeah. We'll see. So, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, subscribe. Give the video a big thumbs up. And see you in the next video or vlog. Bye. Bye. That was it. Let's do it.